Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oliver and I brought you another technical analysis video about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin and an altcoin which I personally think can at least 10x from now. If you liked yesterday's video, please subscribe and share with your mates or Twitter, don't know where. I've hopefully improved my audio from yesterday's video, and I have more videos planned for the future, which I think you guys will enjoy, and I think they're about my thoughts on certain crypto coins, more technical analysis videos, live streams, and as well as challenges which I'll be doing in the future. I have 2 challenges planned which I think will be very fun to do. And yeah, one last thing, if any of you guys have any comments on how I can improve my videos in like maybe editing or audio, I guess, or anything, even like crypto, what you guys want to be seeing, if you guys want to see a certain coin for me to make a video on or anything, then comment down below. And other than that, we'll get straight into it. As I was speaking yesterday, Bitcoin has made the symmetrical triangle and it has broken out of it, and since then it's done exactly what I said it was going to do. Retest this blue box, which has been acting as great resistance in the past, and get a rejection down below to retest this symmetrical triangle, which is perfectly done. And I did say here, if it retests this symmetrical triangle, I personally will be putting in a trade and rewriting it to 72,000 US dollars. So if anyone who joined me yesterday in this, congratulations, you're already in a bit of profit, I guess. And I would be personally putting my stop loss at, if I get a horizontal ray, about 56,500, or even about 57,000, because if it does break below that, we could be seeing the opposite forming, so that being the bearish pattern, the bearish target, forming. And yeah, that probably would not be looking good for Bitcoin in the short run. Now, currently we are fighting massive resistance here. We've had 2 last 4 hourly candles that have got rejections, and currently we are fighting at this level as well. And hopefully, we do break into this blue box. And if we do, I think what will happen is we'll probably be in this blue box for at least a day or 2 before breaking out and going higher, because this has acted as huge resistance in the past. But if I take the Fibonacci retracement, take it from the swing high being the all-time high, and take it to the swing low, the previous swing low being the low in March 25th, we can see that we have great resistance right now at the golden ratio, the golden pocket. So this area is acting as great resistance. If we break above this and we do get this retest and it confirms the support, I think this is what's going to help us break out this blue box and go higher. And yeah, I think other than that, it's looking very good. So I forgot to mention yesterday that we had this W pattern here forming for Bitcoin. Now if you're taking it from the 2 candles, if you're taking it from these 2 candles as the W breakout, we did go a bit below it, the breakout, and got bounced above it. But if I'm taking it from this candle here, these 2 candles here as the breakout, we did get a nice retest and a bounce off of it. So if you took this as well, if you did see this yesterday as well, congratulations. And yeah, is looking very good for Bitcoin right now. We just need to break this area, and what I personally want to see is a weekly close above 60,000 for it to be looking very bullish for us to go and hit 100k or even 70k or 80k. Now, if I quickly go onto Ethereum, Ethereum has done exactly what it did yesterday. It didn't go and do this retest, which would have been healthy, but obviously when it's going parabolic, it's just going to go only up, right? But it's now looking more dangerous than ever, Ethereum, because we haven't had any retracements and we've just been going up. So I think when we do hit this 4,000 mark on this Fibonacci retracement here, taking it from the one we did say yesterday, this $4,072 resistance level, I think this could be where we get a rejection from and get probably downturn down to probably about 3,500 as a retest. But other than that, if we look at the short term, we have broken out this rising wedge and we are going up currently, and it hasn't made any pullback, any like retest of the resistance on the 4 hourly. Let's see if it's done it on the hourly. Yeah, so it has done it on the hourly here. It went above and got a retest, active support, and it's gone up. So we are hitting near the end of this target. However, you know, when we are hitting this yellow box, I think we could see a pullback down to this level here to find some level of support, because we've just been going up and we need to find some support at these new levels, because we can't just constantly going up without confirming any new support areas. So yeah, other than that, Ethereum is still looking good. Now I just want to quickly go into Binance. Now Binance, I didn't get to mention this yesterday because I didn't want to make the video too long, but Binance is making this nice symmetrical triangle near the all-time high. All-time high being the about, I think this is about, what is this, about 680, the all-time high. Now he's been making a symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern, and as we went into this pattern in a bullish trend, we have a bias breakout. So it's a bullish bias pattern for it to break out to the bullish side. And we're also in a bull market, so it's also got a bullish bias to break out to the bullish side. If we do break out of this, get this nice retracement to see if it's flipped to, not retracement, but sorry, a nice retest of the breakout, just to see if it's acted in support. And it has, and this is where I would have said open a long position. Or even if you wanted to be on the safe side, wait for a new high, and we did. If you're not taking it as the wick, we haven't hit the wick. So if you want to be even more conservative, wait for a new high from the over the wick before opening a trade, so we don't make a lower high. I mean, other than that, Binance is looking very nice on the short price, the short time span. It has this, as we've broken bullishly, it has the price target of about $710, $11. However, if we're looking at about a month ago, or the monthly candle, not monthly candles, but from the monthly range, we have made this W pattern, a nice W pattern with a breakout of exactly $610. Now, if we're taking, as we have broken out this W pattern, right, we have now been we haven't really moved ever since breaking out this W pattern. We've just been consolidating at the breakout, and now only getting, and as we've broken out the symmetrical triangle, I do feel like now we can potentially hit the price target of Binance. So the price target of this W pattern is taken from the bottom of the W pattern to the breakout, and then putting it to the breakout, being 800, or just almost, there we go, just under $800 for this price target, and we broke out of it and we've just been consolidating. I think now, because we've broken out this symmetrical triangle, this is probably going to help us boost us out of this consolidation or resistance that we're finding at the breakout. to get us to this price target. I do feel like, which I will be making in a later video, that we will be seeing soon a price target of $1,000. Well, not price target, but Binance for $1,000, which I think, I think it's definitely doable, especially what Binance is. Now, the last coin I wanted to talk about is SXP, the altcoin, the secret gem that I think is going to go up to at least $50. The reason why is that this graph has been forming a graph identical to Binance. I will put up on the screen right now the graph for Binance and the graph for SXP, and you'll see that these graphs are identical to each other in the respect of like how they've been consolidating before Binance breaking out doing a 20x. I feel like right now, as you see, we've broken out and we're consolidating the small thing before going to do a 20x on SXP, which is we could do it. However, if we calculate how much that is in market cap, I don't think it'll hit it yet. But definitely think a 10x is possible though for SXP. I do feel like SXP as well, if we're looking at the chart for SXP, it has made a really nice W pattern on the monthly candles as well. If you're taking it from the very first time it was released back in 2019, it's making this nice W pattern that we found. If I get rid of the Fibonacci, we made this nice W pattern and we have broken out of it, and we are getting this retest right this second. And after this retest, I do feel like we should be seeing by probably next month us going to new highs, hitting this, well, it's about $9, just underneath $10 mark price target, which is a 2x already. But I think this will help initiate this massive parabolic move for SXP to hit that $50 mark for it. And I think what's even more crazy about the two graphs of Binance and SXP is that Binance is a huge investor in SXP as well, which is something to be very bullish on. I will be making a video as well for SXP in the future about what it is, why I think if it has, well, why it would hit $500, and my other thoughts about it. But other than that, I'll keep it quite short. I'll do today. It's still quite long, however, I have tried to shorten it, and I will try to make them a bit more not as long and waffly at the start and the end. I'm just getting used to this. I'm learning whilst doing all of this, so I will be improving constantly in the long run for these videos. And I hope, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, it'd be appreciated if you leave a like, subscribe if you liked the content I've made, if you've done well in the two trades that I've offered you to do. Well, I've given like my thoughts on them, my opinions, and where I would be taking trades. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. You do your own research. You pose any purchase you do, you pose a risk of a loss. So yeah, and I hope to see you guys soon in a new video.